Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What a beautiful weekend it is. For those of you who are new to my channel, it is a channel about how to grow your money, build your wealth, and let your money work for you while you are sleeping. I have already made quite a few videos about how to invest in an easy, systematic, and automated way to become a millionaire. You can watch these videos to see what I mean by that. In today's video, I will talk about whether the Tesla stock is an evening star. You may ask, what is an evening star? I have a short answer to this question. Let's look at the chart. But before I do that, I want to ask you a huge favor. Since this is a brand new channel, I really need your help to build it. You may support me by subscribe to this channel, give thumbs up, leave a comment, and share the videos to someone you think might be benefit from. The subscription is always free, but your support is priceless to me so that I can continue to produce high quality videos to share with you about easy wealth building. And please do not forget to hit that notification bell so you will be the first one to know when my new videos come out. After two blockbuster quarterly earnings beat and Tesla company's promise that it would sell more than 500,000 cars in 2020, Tesla stock skyrocketed 180% in the just past 3 months. And if it is from its June's low, June 3rd, right here, it was closing low at $178.97. If it is from this low, the company's share have gained more than 395% from that June's low. The past Monday, February the 3rd, Tesla stock rallied more than 20% after August research analyst Bill Selesky raised his price target on Tesla to $108 from $556 and kept his rate at a buy. On Monday, Tesla's shares closed at $780 and traded as high as $786.14, setting a new record close and a new record intraday high. It was the second largest one-day percentage increase in the Tesla stock history. Monday's record close was its 19th highest since mid-December. Tesla was the best performing and the most active stock in the Nasdaq 100 on Monday. Early on Tuesday, Tesla stock continued its rally. It shot up more than 20% to hit an intraday record of $968.99. At that time, Tesla stock had a market value around $165 billion, already surpassed both GM and Ford in combined. GM market value was about $50 billion, and Ford was about $36 billion. Tesla stock has nearly tripled in the past 12 months, up 189%. It is far ahead of S&P 500, which is only at about 21%, and Dow Jones Industrial Average was about only 14% at the same time period. The dramatic bull run of the Tesla stock made people have a false belief that the stock was untouchable and it had no gravity. In my opinion, Tesla's recent wild bull run, especially the Monday and early Tuesday two-day bull run, was the combination of some institution buying, FOMO, which is fear of missing out from retail investors, and a dramatic short squeeze. Because the higher the Tesla stock price goes, the more tempting it is for short sellers to establish new short positions. In fact, Tesla stock is the #1 most shorted US stock. There is about 24 million shares, or about 18% of its float shares are in the hands of the short sellers, or those who bet a stock will fall in price. The legendary short seller Andrew Left from Citron Research told MarketWatch on Tuesday, February the 4th, that he is coming back to short the Tesla stock. He said, "This is obviously a computer-generated rally. It is not a reflection on the company nor on its valuation. It is just a trade." He also added, "Yes, I'm shorting it. Whoever bought it at these prices has to flush it out, and when it flushes, it's going to flush hard." He also tweeted earlier on Tuesday, he compared Tesla's rally to a casino and indicated he was back at shorting it. I think he kept his promise and started shorting the stock just few minutes before the market closing on Tuesday. I think it's about 10 minutes before. This is how the ugly rapid dip showed up here. Not only that, this dip triggered avalanche of computer automatic selling of those people who ever set the trailing stop loss for the stock prices. And also it triggered some panic sales from people who held the stock for a long time and then tried desperately to secure their gains. Because of the huge amount of selling at the end of Tuesday, a star was born. I'm not talking about a movie here. That star is called a doji star. It's this candlestick. In Japanese, doji means the same time. A true doji is a thin straight line, meaning the closing price and then the opening price are almost the same. This doji for Tesla is almost a doji, not close to a thin straight line, but it's almost there. Because of this doji candlestick and the long shadows above and below this line, in combination of this large green candle with a big gap between Monday closing and Tuesday's opening, it gave away a strong warning that the stock price is going to reverse. The chart tells the short sellers and some experienced traders that an evening star is forming, which will lead to a large downward trend. A typical evening star forms with 3 candles, first one, second one, and third one. On Tuesday, it was waiting for the third element of evening star to come, which it did arrive on the third day, which is Wednesday, February the 5th. A large red candle going down. However, we're lucky in 2 things in this pattern. One, the doji was a near doji, not a true doji. Second, the abandoned baby is missing from this evening star. There was no gap between the second and third day. Had these 2 elements both in line, the sell-off would be much more worse. In our case, the shadows of the second day, which is right here, and the third day candle overlapped just a little bit, as the Wednesday's high of $845.98 was a little bit higher than Tuesday's low at $833.88. Therefore, you can see the 4th and 5th day here, the candles are still green and not going downward continuously. We're lucky on that. However, that doesn't mean the sell-off or the short sell is over yet. We must be a lot more cautious at this time because we can see the near-term resistance level is around here, and then 2 or 3 even forming support levels are at this range. This one, and third one is around here, the support. 1, 2, 3, right here. And that the trend line could be further reversed in the recent days. In my opinion, you don't have to follow, just my own opinion. Wait till dust settles before our next move, because the evening star chart pattern of Tesla stock is a very bearish sign, indicating the trend reversal, at least for now.